Good afternoon, Ubiquiti here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ubiquiti UniFi 6 Lite wireless access point. This is their cheaper model of wireless access points that support Wi-Fi 6, coming in at $99. We have a slimmed down nice box here compared to what my older access points came in. One reason it's a little bit smaller is you don't get a PoE injector. Here is your mounting hardware, screws, and wall anchors. And then sliding it on out, everything else comes out with this packaging right here. So there is your wireless access point with a little plastic protector on it. And you can see when we pop this off, it has the Ubiquiti logo with the UniFi 6 on it, just so you know it's a Wi-Fi 6 access point. Gigabit PoE Ethernet on the bottom there with the reset button. There's that Wi-Fi 6 logo. Getting started guide right here with the QR code on it if you want to set it up in standalone mode. You can scan that, or you can just plug it into your UniFi setup and adopt it. That is a ceiling tile mount, so you put that on top of a ceiling tile and then screw this onto it so it doesn't pull the screws out. You can mount it to a wall or ceiling without that, with the included hardware. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.